Hello, everyone. I'm here recording a little voiceover of a day in the life as me. I usually start off the morning with tucking our bed away. If you didn't know, we have a Murphy bed in our living space, and that's basically what works for us so that we can each have our little space in our 3-bedroom home. So I just started off by doing that. Today I wanted to focus on putting all the Christmas decorations away and dusting the house, sweeping and mopping. So I started by opening this box. We got this for Christmas, got some new cups. So I wanted to make sure that before I did the dishes, I had this opened so that I can wash them and get them nice and clean. It's almost February, and I was like, you know what? Today's the day that we're gonna get all the Christmas decorations put away. And so I figured it would also be a perfect time to dust the entire house. And I wanted to make sure that I swept and mopped as well. So I like starting off by making sure the kitchen's clean. Just makes my life a lot easier when the kitchen's clean. I feel like the whole house is clean. So starting off by grabbing all my little decorations that I had around the house, putting them away. It is kind of bittersweet putting all the Christmas decorations away. I felt like my house felt naked without it. And I don't have many Valentine's Day decorations, or at least not as many as my Christmas decorations. Not that I have many Christmas decorations, but a lot more than my Valentine's Day. But yeah, just focusing on getting all this stuff put away and making sure that everything has its nice little neat spot, because it just makes my life easier to keep everything nice and organized. As you can see, I put certain things in certain bags, certain decorations go in boxes. Most of the decorations you guys can't see, but these decorations here that I'm showing you guys are some of my favorites that I got at Target. They were all, I think, $1 when I bought them. So yeah, they go in their own separate little baggie. My little plush decorations that we hung on the tree. We didn't have a tree this year, so I decorated all of our door frames, which I would have shown you guys, but honestly, it's so much to be moving the camera around when I'm in the zone. By this point, as you can see by the TV, we have some of the Valentine's Day decorations up. Like I said, I don't have many, but yeah, finishing off the day with sweeping and mopping. Mopping is probably one of my favorites, just because I hate sweeping. But just put on some good music and get that shit done. I was listening to Megan Thee Stallion here, which if you don't listen to her, I don't know what you're doing, but she always gets me in a little mood to shake some booty. So this made my cleaning process a lot easier. You guys, I clocked in 9,000 steps just by cleaning the house this day. It was crazy. My hips were hurting. I couldn't even sleep good. I was in so much pain, but it definitely was worth it. It was worth it. My house feels so much better now. Granted, it gets dirty like the minute my dogs come back inside after being outside, but at least, it's dusted and all that good stuff. But yeah, thank you guys for being here. I will see you in the next one. Bye.